5 identical coins and we want to distribute these 5 identical coins among 2 persons. The question is, in how many different ways I can give these 5 identical coin to 2 different persons. In order to distribute these 5 objects, I need to make 2 groups so that I can divide these 5 coins into 2 groups and give one group to one person and the second group to the other person. In order to do that, what I would like to say is to partition these objects by this bar. So the thing is, we need to keep this bar somewhere like this or like this or like this. So in any such situation of keeping this bar, let's say this is one of the situation, what it tells is we have to give 0 coin to person 1 and then 5 coins to person 2. If I am keeping this coin, this partition, let's say at this position, that means I am going to give 3 coins to person 1 and 2 coins to person 2. So the whole idea is in how many different ways I can keep this one partition in between the 5 coins. So the idea is to place one partition in between the 5 given coins. So in total we have 6 objects. How exactly is 5 coins and 1 partition, right? So we have total 6 objects, and out of these 6 objects we just want to choose one place, right? So choose one place out of these 6 objects. So in how many ways I can choose? So 6C1, and that's the answer. What if these 5 coins is to be given to 2 persons, right? Let's say 3 persons, okay? So if these 5 coins are to be given between 3 different persons, in how many ways I can do so? So I can do it by putting 2 partitions and 5 coins. So in total there are 7 objects to choose from, and we need to choose 2 places to keep these 2 partitions, okay? That means out of 5 plus 3 minus 1, this many objects we need to choose 2 places to be keeping our partition there. So this is basically 5 plus 3, 8 minus 1, 7, C2, and that's the answer. So let's generalize it now. If we have n objects, n identical objects, and to be given to our persons, in how many ways I can give it is, we have to keep r minus 1 partitions, right? So r minus 1 partitions, n total objects. So in total we have n plus r minus 1 places, and we have to keep or choose r minus 1 places out of it. And this is the very, very powerful formula, and we call it the formula to the distribution of identical objects. So suppose a question is, what is the number of non-negative integral solutions to the problem x plus y plus z is equals to 100. And if you look at the problem carefully, it is nothing but distribution of 100 identical objects among how many persons? 3 persons. 3 persons. As you know, 3-person means we need to create 3 groups, and that is possible only when we create 2 partitions. Okay, so we need to choose 2 place for the partition out of total 100 plus 3 minus 1, C 3 minus 1, and that is 102 C2, which is our final answer. Hope you liked the video and the formula, the quickest, easiest formula to distribute the identical object.